But you were asking about the effect of cam with Andres to me. But I think you will see the nuances also on in the film na kung paano siya tumingin kay Kaoryak na okay, hindi lang pala lalaki ang kayang gumawa nito. Yung paghanga niya sa kanyang partner at sa mga babae in general. So, makikita mo yung paghanga niya na sana mas alam nito ng mga iba pang lalaki na hindi lang mga lalaki ang dapat maging leaders. Makikita mo sa nuances niya na mas gusto ko na hindi lang pala lalaki ang gagalaw. So, that effect to me as an actor, as a man, gave me, showed me different respect for women. And we all see it now. Women empowerment, that movement is very strong, and we should respect that. And totoo yung sinasabi, kahit very cliche, na no one is above anyone. Kaya mag-level ng mga babae. And now that I'm a husband, a father, nagbago din tingin ko sa asawa ko na hindi ako abot dito kung wala tayong partner na makakatulak sa akin. And that goes the same way for women and their partners also.
Thank you, Rocco. Yes, unfortunately,